Hi everyone, I'm Nelly, and this is Bird from Ash. Here we have a nice leather upper with fringe detailing for added style. There's wraparound lacing that includes a metallic finish for a lovely look. There's a side zip closure for easy on and off wear. On the inside, there's leather lining for a great next to skin feel, a lightly padded footbed for all-day comfort and support. There's a nice tag tail for an extra boost in height. Down at the bottom, there's a durable leather outsole. Look fierce and fabulous with this fantastic pair from Ash.